Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to empty trash on iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. There are actually several places on your iPhone where deleted items are stored. One of the main ones is your Photos app, where deleted pictures and videos are kept. Open the Photos app, then, instead of going to Library, switch over to Collections. From there, scroll down until you find Utilities. And inside that section, tap on Recently Deleted. This will show all the photos and videos you've removed. Keep in mind, they usually stay here for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you want to remove them right away, tap Select, then tap the three dots, choose Delete All, and confirm deletion from all devices. That clears the trash from your photos. Next, go into your Messages app, since deleted messages can also remain stored. Tap on the filter icon in the top corner and open Recently Deleted. From here, you can either select individual conversations or quickly swipe to select them all, then tap the trash icon and delete everything. This removes all messages sitting in the deleted section. After that, open the Notes app. Tap the back arrow at the top to return to your folders, then go into Recently Deleted. You'll see all notes that have been removed but not fully erased. Tap Edit, then choose Delete All to permanently clear them out. Now move on to the Files app. Open it and navigate back until you see the main screen. Tap on Recently Deleted, then tap the three dots in the corner, hit Select, and choose Delete All. This will remove any files still sitting in the trash. Another place to check is your Mail app. Open Mail, go back to your mailbox list, and select the account you want, such as Gmail. Then open the Bin folder. You can tap Select, choose all emails, and delete them permanently so they're no longer taking up space. Finally, go into Settings, tap on General, and then select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of what's using space on your device. Some apps store a lot of extra data, like cache and temporary files. In some cases, you can free up space by deleting the app and reinstalling it, or by offloading it and then bringing it back. This helps clear unnecessary stored data. Also, as you scroll down, you'll notice sections like iOS data and system data. System data can vary over time and doesn't have a direct delete option. The best way to reduce it is by restarting your iPhone. This can help clear out some of those temporary system files and free up space. And that's it. So that's basically how you can empty trash on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.